Hello friends, I welcome you all to this weekly analysis video of Nifty and Bank Nifty. So I hope last week it was a good week to you all. So last week I had shared that this top can act as a resistance. You can see this area, and then I had shared a parallel channel pattern, and I had given two targets for that, and both the targets were achieved clearly. So of course those who were watching, they were kept watching, and those who trusted my analysis and implemented it, those people would have booked some good gains. Fine. So let's see for this week analysis video. So before that, if you are someone new to this channel, then definitely go through the videos of my channel, and here I try to provide some useful content related to stock market. I provide learning videos, I provide some psychological videos every Sunday, and I had also on a latest video, my latest video is on Vodafone Idea. So a lot of people were asking for it, so should they invest or not? So you can watch this video, then you can decide whether one should go for investment or not. Okay. And then another important thing is I have implemented this webinar. Okay, I have come up with a webinar, online webinar for stock market basics. So those people who are interested in learning in stock market, so such people can definitely opt for this. In the description you can find the details, like registration fees only 2,999, and for more details you can always WhatsApp me on the given below numbers. And in this video I had shared all the details that I am going to the topics that I am going to cover in this webinar. Okay, so this webinar is going to be a very useful one, so I hope you will be interested in this video, and if at all you are interested, then definitely WhatsApp me and then you can register yourself for webinar. Fine. So without wasting time, let's begin our analysis for coming week. Okay, last week market did well as per our analysis. Okay, so let's see what can happen this week. So before starting the analysis, the title or let me summarize it, the first only, that the things that I can see now is a little bearish. Things can be bearish. I am looking for a bearish market, not a bearish market, but a small correction. It might happen with some conditions. So in this video we will see that conditions, like where or when can that correction happen, or when that correction might not happen. Okay, so this is Nifty and this is Bank Nifty chart. So we will see what might happen in coming week, or what is my view or what is my take on market, right? So Nifty, you can clearly see a huge red candle with a volume, right? Huge volume and huge number of sellers in this candle. So one has to understand that a large number of sellers are sitting here. Let's say this is the top of 10,800. So here a huge number of sellers are sitting here, right? So it is not going to be easy to cross this level in a single go. In a one go, it is not going to be easy to cross it. Why? Because at every level we have to face these sellers. So that is how market works, right? So and on technical basis also, if we see this chart, here I wanted to show you few things that support. Very importantly, I wanted to show you the support level. Okay, so we will compare this chart with Bank Nifty also for a clear view. I said I am very interested in selling, or my view is for bearish view for the week, or 1 to 2 to 3 weeks maybe. So that time will decide, but as of now market is looking bearish to me. Why? I will explain you. So if you are someone who has watched my support and resistance video, then you would have already understood this, right? You would have already known this. Why? Because let's say This was the breakout level, right? This area was a huge resistance first. This was the breakout level, but now you can see how market went. Our market went up. It took support here, support number 1. It took support, then it again went up, made a high, then took a support at this level, which is support number 2. This is, I am talking about daily candle, right? This is support number 2. Then again went up. It wasn't able to cross the high, and then from here it turned, and then it is took a support, and now it is support number 3. So when a support is tested multiple number of times, right, this is what we had discussed in our support and resistance video. So if you are not watched it, then I had provided it in my playlist, then please go and watch it, because when a support or a resistance it is tested a multiple number of times, then there is high chance of the support to be broken, right? This I hope this basics is clear to everyone, because I had shared this with everyone for free on my YouTube channel, right? So this support I can see in multiple number of testing, right? 3 times it has tested. So maybe it is probability, we are talking about probability. I am not saying that with a sure of 100%, but maybe there may happen that the 4th time, that is on Monday, if it comes at this level, then we can see a clear selling. Okay, we can see a clear selling, because the support will be broken. So this is what my expectation in Nifty. Okay, but another possibility is taking support, respecting the support, and then moving up. I feel it is only 15 to 20% chance as of now, according to my view, that it will take this support and then move up, because of my calculation and my charting view. So there is only 15 to 20% chance, but market is supreme, so anything could happen in market. We cannot say that market has to move as per our analysis. Okay, so on Monday, another thing what can happen is a gap up. If a gap up happens, then it has a more chance to break this high, and it will make a new high. See, note my words, I said gap up. In a case of gap up, only if gap up happens, only if gap up happens, then market can move up. But if gap up doesn't happen and market opens negative, then of course it's a negative market. And if market opens flat, okay, again notice my point, if market opens flat, even then my view would be for selling only. Even then my view would be for selling only, unless or until market open index, so let's say Nifty opens with a gap up of maximum, or let's say minimum 50 points, 50 plus points it should open. If it opens 50 plus points, 50 to 70 75 plus points, then the things may change. But if it doesn't opens 50 to 75 points gap up, and then it opens flat, then there can be a clear selling which can be seen. Okay, so market as of now, I am looking for a correction. I'm not saying a huge fall, but a small correction might come in, right? And it is possible, highly possible, because this support has already broken. Okay, let us see a 5 minutes chart, because we trade most in 5 minutes chart. So market has taken a support at this level. Okay, this is where Nifty has took a support, right? So we will see how Nifty can perform on Monday. Okay, so now if you see this area, okay, this area can act as a resistance. Okay, what I said was, if market opens gap down somewhere around here, then a fall. If market opens somewhere around, anywhere around here, okay, I am looking for, if market opens anywhere around here, then I am expecting a fall, or I will short immediately with a stop loss, a small stop loss somewhere around here. Okay, fine. So this is my view, this is my personal view, that I am expecting market to work on Monday. So market has to open somewhere around here, then a fall. If gap down, if it opens below this, then that's a different case. That is already, it will go, it has opened downside. okay. But if market opens gap up and somewhere around here, above here or above here, then you have to be very clear that things has changed or things might change, okay. This bearish view of mine can change with that thing. Okay, I might not be bearish much, but I might not be also interested in buying also much. I'm not looking for a buying market as of now, because I am looking for a bearish market. As of a lot of people might know me that I am interested more in buying than selling, but as of now things looks bearish to me, so I am looking for a selling thing, okay. So this is about Nifty. As said, Nifty if opens flat somewhere around here, then look for selling with a small stop loss of 20 or 30 to 35 points. And then if Nifty opens here, then look for a price action and how market works, how Nifty performs, and then you can think of something, okay. So let's talk about Bank Nifty, how Bank Nifty can perform. Bank Nifty gave a huge money, huge rally in this thing. I was highly bullish at this area, so it performed well, but at this level it took a resistance. You can see the trend line, the upside trend line, I had drawn it. It took a resistance and now it is falling from there, okay. So till where can it fall? It can touch this lower trend line, or let's say it can reverse from somewhere around here, okay. Not from yesterday's low, but I will show that, okay. So let's see from where Bank Nifty can move, okay. This is daily chart. So what I am looking for in Bank Nifty is let us first talk about a smaller time frame. This is a 15 minutes time frame, okay. Yes, if you see here, this level was multiple time tested and then it gave a breakout, right? This level, we will see the daily candle also. Let us first see this smaller time frame. This level was multiple time tested. This is what I was talking about Nifty, multiple time tested, and then we can expect a breakdown. So that is what happens usually. So I was waiting to sell, but Bank Nifty opened a deep gap down, almost 400 points gap down, and then I was not interested to sell. But you can see it made a top, it touched this level, this resistance area, it touched, and from there again selling came in, right? So this is what happened in Bank Nifty as of now. So let us talk about the daily candle. So same thing here also. Here Bank Nifty has looks like it has crossed its this resistance level. No, it has not crossed, but it has almost closed at its resistance level, right? It has closed almost at it perfectly at its resistance. So Monday it will be an interesting market. If it opens somewhere around here, then look for selling with this swing high as a stop loss, a small stop loss. If it's open somewhere around it, then sell it with a small stop loss. If stop loss hits, then exit. Then doesn't matter, market is supreme, we have to respect market, right? But if it opens somewhere around here, gap up, then you have here gap up, then you have to avoid for selling as of now. So that's my take. So if you see daily candle, right, let us see this area. Okay, now what do you see? So this is what we were talking in Nifty also. Let me just show you. We will just compare our charts so that it will be useful for our learning. Okay, let me just draw the support. So this is the support and this is the support. Now Bank Nifty has broken its support and Nifty has not broke its support, right? But here multiple times a support is been tested, right? 1 2 3 4 multiple times support was tested. Here if you see one, okay, let's take brush, 1 2 3 times. Here also it is tested, but now it has broken because it is weak. Financial sector is weak. and it has not broken because it has a small strength in it, right? So but it has a probability, it has made the sign, it has given the sign through which it can give a breakdown, right? Like Bank Nifty, like if you see in Bank Nifty, once the breakdown happened, how it fell, right? More downside is pending, but how it fell you can see, right? Even if this area is broken, what is my expectation in Nifty? Let me just talk about that also, so that it will be useful for you. Okay, this level would be my first target in Nifty, and then after that, even if that level is broken, then I will expect this level. This level is almost 10,800, 10,850 level. So if these are my levels, this is not weekly levels, but if this level is broken, the next support that I can find is at 11,150 or 11,100, somewhere between that. So we can have at least 150 points downside, so it is a good point. So that is what I am expecting in Nifty. And in Bank Nifty also, I am already carrying some shorts in Bank Nifty. My expectation is this level. Okay, to my premium members, I had said that I am expecting this level, because you can see there is no huge support as of now here, right? In daily candle, in smaller time frame there might be some smaller supports and all, but in a daily candle, if you see, if this level was broken, this level was acting as a support, it is broken, then the next support we can see is this level, which is 22,500, 450 or 22,550, around somewhere that. So there can be some selling is possible, and if it further falls, right, then I had given my this trend line, right? So somewhere around trend line it might take support again, or it might break also, that time will decide. But as of now I am expecting 22,500 level. So we will see. I am holding 22,500 put option. So on Monday it will be a very interesting market. If market opens gap up, then things might little change, but if it opens flat or if it opens gap down, then very good. I am holding a huge quantity in options in Bank Nifty. I didn't prefer Nifty, but I preferred Bank Nifty because Bank Nifty is much weaker than Nifty. Bank Nifty was showing some strength here, but it took a resistance, so again it became weak at this level, right? So this is what my expectation for in Nifty and Bank Nifty for coming week. Hope this analysis was useful to you all. So look out for this support. So once this support is broken, then you can sit for selling with a stop loss. Always remember, stop loss is the king in this market. Okay, so if you don't trade with stop loss, then you are most likely to lose all your capital. Okay, so let's see how market goes this week. Hope to book some good profit this week also. So meet you all with some another learning video. So once again, if you are interested in this webinar and if you want to analyze market like this, if you want to identify the support, resistance, trend lines, a lot of topics like this I have covered in this webinar, so it will be very useful for you. So you can analyze the market on your own, you can take a trade on your own. I am going to share a simple and easy setup with this webinar, so it will be very useful for you to take trades based on that setup, because this is a stock market basic course. So I had shared a easy setup for you all, okay, so that you won't struggle trading with that setup. Fine. So guys, hope to see you all with some another interesting video. Hope you like this video. If you find this video very informative, then definitely hit the like button. Also share your views on comment section, and also hit the subscribe button if you are someone new, and press the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, so that it will be notified to you and you won't miss any new video. Fine. So until next video, take care of yourself, and thank you for watching.